Inflammation often presents as persistent body pain and swelling. Chronic fatigue is another common symptom of inflammation. Stiffness can also indicate underlying inflammation. These early symptoms are frequently overlooked or dismissed. Promptly addressing these symptoms can prevent progression to more severe conditions. Inflammation is the body's immune system response to injury or infection. It is characterized by increased blood flow to the affected area. Immune cell activity also increases in the inflamed region. This response is designed to protect and heal the body. Inflammation helps to eliminate harmful stimuli and initiate tissue repair. Ginger is known for its health-promoting properties. It contains gingerol, a bioactive compound. Gingerol is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. It assists in reducing swelling throughout the body. Gingerol also promotes healthy blood flow. This contributes to overall circulatory health. Turmeric is abundant in curcumin, a powerful antioxidant. Curcumin supports joint health and overall mobility. It actively combats oxidative stress within the body. Curcumin protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Black pepper contient piperine, a natural compound. Piperine significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin. Curcumin absorption can increase by up to 2,000% when combined with piperine. This enhancement ensures the body can effectively utilize curcumin. Increased absorption maximizes curcumin's potential health benefits. Therefore, combining black pepper with curcumin optimizes its bioavailability. Research indicates that combining ginger, turmeric, and black pepper has synergistic effects. This combination is validated for its efficacy in reducing inflammation. The synergistic blend also promotes natural recovery processes within the body. These findings are supported by studies published in PubMed and the Journal of Natural Remedies. Begin by assembling the necessary ingredients for the preparation. Measure out 1 teaspoon of ginger powder as the primary component. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the mixture for its properties. Incorporate a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. The water should be heated gently for spice infusion. Avoid boiling the water during the heating process. Boiling can degrade the active compounds present in the spices. Warm water facilitates the effective dissolution of spice powders. This ensures a more thorough extraction of flavors and beneficial components. The initial step involves combining all specified ingredients into warm water. Thorough mixing is essential to dissolve and disperse the ingredients evenly. Continue mixing until a uniform solution is visually confirmed. Proper mixing ensures an equal distribution of active compounds throughout the solution. This even distribution is crucial for achieving the desired outcome or reaction. The mixture needs to sit for 5 minutes. This allows activation of the compounds within the mixture. Activation enhances the compound's bioavailability. Bioavailability refers to the degree and rate at which a substance is absorbed into a living system. This brief resting period maximizes the remedy's potency and effectiveness. Consuming a mixture on an empty stomach is recommended for optimal absorption. This practice is best done once in the morning. An empty stomach facilitates quicker absorption of beneficial compounds. It also promotes more complete absorption. Enhanced absorption leads to increased efficacy of the mixture. Therefore, timing the consumption on an empty stomach is crucial. Consuming the mixture before sleep is recommended for overnight healing support. Nighttime consumption aids in reducing inflammation while the body is at rest. The body's natural repair processes are most active during sleep. Taking the mixture before bed leverages these natural repair processes. This strategic timing can enhance the effectiveness of the healing process. It allows the body to focus on recovery without the demands of daily activity. The treatment regimen should be consistently followed for a duration of 7 to 10 days. This extended period allows the remedy to penetrate deeply and address the underlying issues. Consistent application supports thorough healing from the root cause. Adhering to this timeline is crucial for achieving optimal therapeutic effects. Regular use over the specified duration leads to more pronounced improvements. Following the recommended duration ensures lasting and noticeable benefits from the treatment. The remedy facilitates a gradual but profound healing effect. It bolsters the body's innate healing mechanisms. The remedy targets the fundamental origins of inflammation. This comprehensive strategy fosters enduring well-being. The remedy's effectiveness is supported by scientific research. This ensures users receive evidence-based health support. Scientific backing distinguishes it from unsubstantiated remedies. Users can trust in the remedy's proven benefits. Sharing this video can help others discover natural healing methods. The video provides insights into managing inflammation naturally. Disseminating this knowledge promotes widespread wellness. Viewers can learn practical strategies for improving their health. Empowering others with health information allows them to take control. The video serves as a tool for proactive health management.